Most people assume all credit cards are the same, but the surprising truth is that the ANZ Rewards Black Credit Card offers premium perks for frequent spenders, especially those who travel often. Today, I'm sharing an honest review before you apply. The ANZ Rewards Black Card comes with a points program that rewards every dollar spent. Points can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or gift cards. You won't believe what happens next. There's also complimentary travel insurance, purchase protection, and concierge services, which adds real value for high-spending cardholders. The surprising truth is the rewards rate. You earn points faster on everyday spending and bonus points on select categories like overseas purchases. Additionally, the card has no foreign transaction fees, which is excellent if you travel internationally. The lounge access through Priority Pass enhances the travel experience significantly. However, the card comes with a higher annual fee, and you need a strong credit score to qualify. Some users may find that if they don't spend enough to maximize rewards, the fee outweighs the benefits. Make sure to calculate your expected spending to see if the rewards cover the annual cost. In conclusion, the ANZ Rewards Black Credit Card is ideal for frequent travelers and high spenders who can take full advantage of points, perks, and insurance. For moderate spenders, there may be better value options. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews to help you make smarter financial decisions.